I will show you how to assemble the Neste cot. All the elements are packed in this convenient bag, which is useful when transporting the cot. Okay, let's see what's inside. The set includes mattress with cotton sheet, upper frame with cover, 2 handles, 2 straps, legs, manual, crossbar, intermediate support, bag case. Now let's start with the assembly of the Neste cot. Slide the crossbar into the legs of the cot until you hear a click. The same goes for the other side. Okay, now for the upper frame with the cover. Fold it out and put it on the legs. In order to move the frame to the end, you have to press the button on the sides of the buckle. Slide to the end and you're done. Now place the intermediate support here. It will secure the stability of the cot. Attach the bottom Velcro and the side ones. Now all that's left is to mount the handles. Click and you're done. You can put the mattress in. The sheet is already there with the mattress. To lower the side of the cot, unzip, move the moving parts under the cover to the side and pull out the middle part of the frame. Roll and fasten with the Velcro. All done. The cot has a 5-step height adjustment. To lower it, press the button and lower. To raise it, simply lift the frame. If you want to get a small slope, you can set the adjustment on one side to a maximum of 2 points lower. This is a useful function when your child has reflux often. Thanks to the net on the side, you can watch your baby all the time. The cover can be easily removed and washed. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to position the cot by the parent's bed. First, adjust the height of the cot so that the rolled up side is at the level of the parent's bed's upper mattress line. Time for the fixing straps. They can be passed through the whole bed or only through the side beam. Both ways of fastening make the cot stand firm and stable. Slide the straps into the buckles on the sides of the cot, weave through, fasten, done. If you have a bed with a built-up base, during assembly, the legs of the cot automatically adjust to the distance from the bed frame. You're done. Enjoy discovering the benefits of the Neste cot, together with your baby.